So we fabricate roll pans here. Roll pans are in the back of the car. They take out the bumper, they put a roll pan in, it makes it look nice and smooth. We build in license plate cutouts. We do them for all different vehicles. Alfonso here has been doing this for a long time. It involves, obviously cutting out the roll pan, bending it, welding it. Uses TIG welding for this, so it is a specialty kind of welding. And then he finishes it off at the end. It goes to the customer a raw steel so that they can paint it however they want. They need to prime it and paint it to match the vehicle. These can come with license plate cutouts. They come like the one right next to you over here with LED light cutouts, so they can put LED lights inside the actual roll pan for special effects.